Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PANASONIC TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you how to manage and see Gboard keyboard information. At first you have to go up and here is mic icon, keyboard icon, input icon and settings icon. You have to go into settings. Here you have to go straight into device preferences and here you have to go into keyboard. Here we have Gboard settings. We have to click on this and here we can see current version, language, terms of service, privacy policy, open source licenses and share usage statistics. Apart from that, we can click manage keyboards and here we have available virtual keyboards. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!